People have asked me, why did I write the book after conviction? The answer is simple. It was out of necessity. I was in trial. I was wrongly convicted, sentenced to multiple consecutive sentences. My appeal was denied. The lawyer I had on appeal was gone. So I was stuck all by myself, facing the uncertainty of prison life. Well, of course, my family wanted to help me, but like me, they didn't know what to do. So after a few years being in prison and programming, I decided I'd try to do something for myself. So I started going to the prison law library. I talked to the law clerks, I talked to the jailhouse lawyers, but really didn't understand what I was hearing. So I decided to start reading for myself. I read the rule books, the statute books, the law dictionary, my case, different people's cases, the reporters, all the books I could. I even went to the prison law library in the prison library in the law library in the loan system. And through there, I was able to get books on investigation, legal research, criminal procedures, famous cases, anything I could think of, you could always get through the interlibrary loan. So after years of study, I had a few successes, I had a lot of missteps. I believe that God blessed me with the ability to be able to translate the sometimes confusing legal terminology into everyday working knowledge in a language that anybody could understand. So being in that situation where I felt helpless and then being able to see my way out, I gave my word to God that I would do something to share the gift that He had given me. So I wrote the book. I'm not a lawyer, nor do I give legal advice or offer any guarantees. In the book, I only offer viable suggestions to anybody else who've been wrongly convicted in the state prison across the country, viable suggestions as to what they can do for themselves before a lawyer is appointed. And once they learn some of the things like how to organize their case, how to get the facts away from just the talk, how to be able to get evidence and help themselves, then they'll be in a better position to help the lawyer help them once the lawyer is appointed. The information in this book is not new. It's used by lawyers, paralegals, and legal investigators nationwide. Just as information was able to help me out of the situation that I was in, I believe that it can also help any other wrongly convicted person across the country. For short of God's intervention, knowledge is our best defense against injustice.